Dear students, in last class we derived the ABCD constants for a two-port network representing a transmission line. Today I will just brief how the ABCD constants for two networks in tandem are written. In tandem means a transmission line represented by two two-port networks connected end to end, as shown in this figure here. So this is first two-port network, second two-port network. Both are connected end to end, representing a transmission line. For this transmission line, Vs is supply voltage or supply end voltage, Is is supply end current, Vr is receiving end voltage, and Ir is receiving end current. Now we have to write ABCD constants relating Vs and Is and Vr and Ir directly. Now see here, Vs and Is are related to Vr and Ir using ABCD constants of two-port networks connected in tandem. When we multiply these two square matrices, we get another square matrix. Let us say that is given by ABCD matrix. In this ABCD matrix now, A is A1, A2 plus B1, C2. B is A1, B2 plus B1, D2. C is C1, A2 plus D1, C2. And D is C1, B2 plus D1, D2. So this is how ABCD constants are written for two-port networks connected in tandem representing a transmission line. Now we will see how the ABCD constants are written for two-port networks connected in parallel. Constants for two networks connected in parallel. Now you see here, A1, B1, C1, D1 first network, A2, B2, C2, D2 second network, and the respective currents are shown here, IS1, IR1, IS2, IR2. This is sending end voltage and current set here, receiving end voltage and current set here. Now we can relate sending end quantities with receiving end quantities using ABCD constants of two networks connected in parallel. This way, Vs Is equal to ABCD into Vr Ir, where A equal to D equal to A1 B2 plus A2 B1 upon B2 plus B1, B is equal to B1 into B2 upon B1 plus B2, C is equal to A1 B2 plus A2 B1 plus B1 plus B2 into A1 B2 plus A2 B1 minus B2 minus B1 bracket complete, whole divided by the product of B1 plus B2 and B1 into B2. So this way we can represent two networks connected in parallel by ABCD constants. Thank you. The class ends here.